Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve online presence with Squarespace, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your goals for your online presence. Determine your target audience and what they seek. Choose a Squarespace template that aligns with your brand. Customize your template to reflect your unique style and message. Incorporate your logo prominently on your site. Ensure your navigation is intuitive and user-friendly. Create engaging content that speaks to your audience's interests. Utilize high-quality images and videos to enhance visual appeal. Integrate social media buttons for easy sharing. Optimize your site for search engines with relevant keywords. Use Squarespace's built-in SEO features for meta descriptions and titles. Set up a blog to share valuable insights and updates. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Utilize email marketing to connect with your audience. Create an email list to capture leads and nurture relationships. Encourage user interaction through comments and feedback. Monitor your analytics to track visitor behavior and site performance. Make adjustments based on your findings to improve engagement. Consider adding e-commerce capabilities if relevant to your goals. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly and responsive. Test your website across different devices and browsers. Get feedback from trusted peers to identify areas for improvement. Implement a clear call to action on key pages. Engage with visitors through newsletters and updates. Stay informed about the latest Squarespace features and updates. Continuously evolve your online presence to adapt to changing trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.